Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have an approved used Audi S3 Sportback finishing the very stylish Python yellow. It's a 2-litre petrol sporting the tronic gearbox, putting out an impressive 310 PS. Exterior features do include those LED daytime running lights, real setting off the exterior styling. 18-inch 10-spoke star-style alloys contrasted with the S-brake calipers very nicely, I'm sure you'll agree. To the rear of the vehicle, you've got those quad exhausts. Sounds fantastic, this vehicle. Very practical amount of boot space. No trouble fitting and shoving all bags in. Let's move on to the interior now. You've got the full black leather finish. Very stylish and comfortable. Plenty of legroom in the back there as well. Sporty yet modern finish on the dashboard. Very well set out. Front sport seats for the S embossing, gripping you very nicely to drive. These are very comfortable to be in as well. This vehicle comes equipped with an optional comfort and sound pack, which does include the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Sounds fantastic throughout the vehicle. Full electric windows, as well as your central locking and all your lighting controls. Onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now on the left hand side you get your display controls, on the right you get Bluetooth and audio, as well as having your cruise control located just behind the steering wheel. Moving on to the Audi virtual cockpit now, you can access a huge range of multimedia features, over touch of a button. Does also add a personal touch to the vehicle, which is always nice to have. Onto your central touchscreen display now. On here you've got your DAB radio, AM and FM, giving you a wide selection of different channels. Apple CarPlay, I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up, it's nice and easy to do. Moving on, you've got your Audi Drive Select, all depending on your preference and terrain, it's always nice to have an option. Bluetooth connectivity, as well as your navigation, which is perfect venturing out and about. Very responsive as you can tell. For those who do struggle with parking, you have got the rear view camera, which works in hand with your parking sensors, and to further your confidence, you've got the park assist function there as well. Making our way down now, you've got a dual zone climate control panel, nice and easy to use, as well as your front seated seats keep you nice and warm as part of the comfort and sound pack. Start stop, S-tronic gearbox and your leather centre armrest with storage underneath. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.